If you're a video editor and you're getting your sound effects from your music licensing site or downloading them from YouTube, you gotta switch what you're doing. This app will absolutely change how you use sound effects in your workflow, and it's called Soundly. It's a standalone app and works with any editor, and the best part is they have a free library that you can start from, but they also have a paid subscription as well. And I can say after a few years of using this platform, it's definitely one of the best investments I've made for my editing career. It's literally just as simple as searching for a sound effect, dragging and dropping it into your editor, and that's it.